Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, you will learn OOPS concepts step by step. This is Java OOPS programming session number 88, data hiding without protection. We'll discuss with the bank example. If you are serious about learning, then like the video and subscribe the channel for more update. Please click the bell icon, select all notification option. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. The previous session we have discussed what is by data hiding, restricting the data by direct access and making the variable as a private. Only authorized persons can access the data member. Am I right? So data hiding means making the variables as a private. Only authorized person can access it. So next we'll discuss about why we are preferring data hiding. So without data hiding, what will happen? Here I am not using any data hiding concept. Simply declare class bank account. The data member is balance here. Simple. I'm showing you the real-time examples. So data, what is the class name? Bank account. Data memory is balance. I'm not maintaining any data hiding concept, not making a variables as a private. I'm not doing that here. Okay. Next, in main function, this is what's the problem, right? Directly by the help of object creation. Okay. I'm creating the object for the bank account class. After that, by the help of object reference variable acc dot balance, which balance? This bank account class balance. And modifying as minus 5000, or by mistake I can give minus 5000. So if I'm executing this, you'll get the output as minus 5000. This is the problem. Am I right? So hereafter, no one should access directly or modifying the data. This is not a right thing. So problems, negative balance allowed, no validation, anyone can modify the data. Security risk is possible here. So with data hiding, what I'm doing here, so making the variable as a private one. Only authorized person should access it. Okay. After this, what I'm doing, I'm is calling on method deposit. As per the business rules, I'm writing. So passing the methods, that is passing the value through the methods. What is that amount? Okay. Example, I'm passing minus 5000. Hereafter, it will check whether the amount is greater than 0 or not. Then only balance amount will be added here. So to save the time, already having the code, we can copy paste that. Yeah. Okay. So here I'm calling this method now. So it's not required now. Now I'm deleting this or commenting. It's not working. So what I'm calling acc dot the deposit method. I'm passing the same minus 5000. Now it will not be deposit because one minute. So what's the problem here? Minus 5000. Yeah, I should give it directly. Your system.out.println is not required. Yeah. See here. So acc dot deposit public void. Yes, and the problem is sorted out. So additionally, we have all this here. See here, what method deposit? So this minus 5000 is now passed to this method deposit amount minus 5000. So minus 5000 greater than 0. Condition is true or false? False. So it will not be updated. If I'm calling this get balance, okay, if I'm calling this get balance, wait here, or directly accessing this data member. Okay, you can call the method or you can directly invoke it here. What I'm doing means get balance. So what is that? Acc dot get balance. This method is going to return it. So what's the data stored or what's the balance now? See here, it will give the message as 0, default value 0.0, double, because we already mentioned as a double. because it is not executed time, right? This condition is failed. We have validated. This is what we are telling as a encapsulation, binding the data, that is wrapping the data members here, making the data members private, and then adding methods here. Through validation only, we are updating our data. Now it's exactly matching. Encapsulation is process of wrapping the data members and methods into a single entity. This is called as the encapsulation. So bank account is class is the example of encapsulation. Now I'm giving the proper value. Check it out. So the 5,000 will be passed to this method. What is that amount is now? Local variable is 5,000. So 5,000 greater than 0 means it will be updated to this balance. What is this? It's equivalent to balance equal to balance plus amount. Shorthand operator I'm using, shorthand addition, assignment operator I'm using. So what's the meaning? Balance equal to balance plus amount. So already the balance initially it is 0 here. So 0 plus current value, local variable value, what is that? Amount. This balance is the instance variable. The amount is the local variable. Balance is already 0. So 0 plus what's the value I have passed? 5,000. So 0 plus 5,000, 5,000 will be stored. Next, what I'm doing means calling the function get balance. So get balance function will be called. Now it will return the balance. What's the balance stored in the memory? Instance variable 5,000. So now it will be returned. I'll checking the output now. See here, I'm exiting the code. Now what's the output? 5,000. So 5,000 is now displaying. This is what execution part. So with data hiding, it's a correct way. Okay. If you found this session useful, then like the video and subscribe to the channel for more update. Please share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.